Hey, we are looking at some of the eHub here stuff from Eskimo. This is coming to you from the Ice Institute here in Sioux Falls. What this is are basically things, if you've got a hub house, you can put accessories on that kind of that turnbuckle or that middle area of the hub. And they've got a little base mounting plates that you can actually add there. You take the nut off, you can put this on, and you are good to go. And there's a variety of different accessories. In this case, they've got rod holders, they've got reels, but we're gonna actually go inside this shelter, and in there they've got a bunch of those already set up and such for you to check out. So take a look at this. They've got the reel we just saw there, and let's see. Let's go this direction, and the rod holder. I guess that's not too exciting. But here's where they've got a variety. They got a beverage holder with some little holder for different things. Then our next one, they've got the ability for putting a camera up here. And there was one more piece that they were mentioning that they did not have here. I think that was a cell phone holder. But the idea behind that is that it's just a quick attach system. And you can go and, let's see, it goes up. You can take these things off and you can put a different one on there. And then when you want to put them back on, you get it lined up properly and it snaps right back on. So it's a quick attach system, and it would work on any house because all you're doing is basically taking that nut off right here. If you can see that little tiny nut, take that off and you put on one of those adapters, and then you are good to go and make that an extra hand, in essence, in your hub-style house. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check those out, but this is something you can find at geteskimo.com.